Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this interesting question. If anyone is interested, try to solve this question and comment down the answer. In this question, we have to find the fraction of the shaded area. We have to find the ratio of area of semicircle to the area of the shaded part, which is shaded in pink color. For our understanding, I am dividing this diagram into three parts. First one is the total semicircle. Second and third are the small quadrants. Let's mark radius for all these three parts. First, I am drawing radius for the semicircle, which is capital R. This is the radius for the second quadrant, right? I am marking it as small r, and this is the radius for the third quadrant, right? I am marking it as x. If you consider carefully, this triangle is the right angle triangle, right? With 90 degrees here. So, for this right angle triangle, can we apply Pythagoras theorem? So, if we are applying Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle, so hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of remaining sides, which is equals to x square plus r square. Now we got a relationship between these three radius. In this question, our main objective is to find the fraction of the shaded part, that is total area of the semicircle to the area of the part shaded. Now try to find the area of the shaded part. If we remove quadrant 2 and quadrant 3 from area of the total semicircle, we will get the area of the shaded part, right? So area of the shaded part is equals to total area minus area of the second quadrant minus area of the third quadrant. A1 means the total area of the semicircle with radius capital R. So it is pi times r square divided by 2, right? Minus now the area of the second quadrant. The area of the quadrant is pi r square by 4, right? Here r is small r, so pi r square divided by 4 minus the third quadrant pi times x square divided by 4. From this term, if we take minus pi by 4 as common, we can write it as pi times r square by 2 minus pi divided by 4 r square plus x square. In the place of r square plus x square here, can we substitute these value because it is equal to capital R square. If we substitute that value in here, then pi times r square by 2 minus pi by 4 times capital R square. If we take 4 as LCM, then 2 times pi r square minus pi r square. Now the answer is pi times r square divided by 4. This is equals to area of the shaded part. Now we can substitute area of the shaded part in this fraction, right? Now we can write this fraction as total area, which is equal to pi times r square by 2 divided by area of the shaded part, which is equal to pi times r square by 4. If we cancel both the numerators, then it will become 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 2. So total area divided by area of shaded part is 2. We can also write it as total area is equals to 2 times area of shaded part. The shaded area is equals to half the times of total area. So the shaded fraction is half of total area. If you like this explanation, please subscribe to Messy Math. Thank you.